In this video, I will show you how to delete all your watch history on Instagram. So to get started, first click on your profile at the lower right, and then go to the settings. Here you can see at the top right, click on settings, and then click on your activity. So your activity, scroll down, then click on watch history. And now we have all these videos, our watch history. Now we need to delete, so click on select. Now we have to select one by one here. So I don't think there's a select all option, so there's no select option, so you're gonna have to go one by one and delete all of them. And then once you have selected all of them, just click remove, and just like that you can delete all of your watch history. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.